Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a clear setup using a subscriber identity module. It's a SIM card or the eSIM. eSIM is the embedded subscriber identity module. Both are possible on that iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. In Europe, you can get this phone with a physical connectable option, SIM connectable option. In the States, it's only eSIM, embedded SIM. Okay, for this job, you will need a SIM card extraction tool and, of course, your phone. Let's have a look at our phone. We are getting the phone in front of us and we are going to the left side of our phone. And on the left side, we will see this button, volume up, volume down button. And if you go down, you will see this cover here. And this cover is included with a hole. And this hole we can penetrate into it using our SIM card extraction tool. While I am pushing on the right side and hold the phone there in place, and at the same time I'm pushing on that left hand with the extraction tool onto the iPhone, something happens. Down, it pops out. Okay, let's grab it and pull it out of the machine. This device now is not waterproof anymore. Take care of that. Okay, now we have the tray. Let's have a look, a clear vision, a closer look to our device stuff here. Okay, what's going on here? Here you can see this is an subscriber identity module. A SIM card. This SIM card has 4 edges. No, it has 5 edges. One over there, one second one, third one, and all of them are 90 degrees. But here are 2 edges in a nearly area. Okay. And at the same time, we have the same shape. This is the same shape on the tray. So we can now get our small nano SIM into position, as you can see, and this matches. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah, that is flat. Okay, now let's get back our phone into position. And the next step is, of course, we can enter into the system over there. The chip is looking to the screen area. Here we are, and we push it in position. Job's done, baby. We are now mobile. Mobile on the road if we need it. So, okay, what's going on now? Often, the screen will be locked because of the SIM card, because you will need to enter a PIN code, a PIN. This is a PIN code to unlock your SIM card. Then you go to settings, and you can see mobile service. And here we have information. You can use, but you do not have to use the mobile services. You can switch it on or off if you like. Then mobile data options are over there. Roaming on, for example, or roaming off if you does not like it. Voice and data, 5G on, LTE, 5G standalone, voice over 5G, and that's all possible. We have data mode in the standard, limit IP tracking, and so on. Then, of course, personal hotspot. This is cool. We can have a personal hotspot. That means nearly other people which can enter into our hotspot can be going to mobile into the internet via our smartphone. Good thing. Then you can see over there some information about your network selection or about your number, your Wi-Fi calling on or off, calls on other devices, and so on, and mobile data network. And here you can switch on or off the SIM pin and change that. Over there and over there you see at the eSIM. This is the embedded SIM. So let's start the eSIM setup. We can transfer a phone number from a nearby phone or scan a QR code from our network provider. So that means we have here transfer from nearby iPhone, use the QR code, transfer from an Android, or view the travel options. We can use data roaming by O2 or get a travel eSIM if we need that. Okay, let's go, and we are use now QR code, for example. So we can have a contract at the local dealer or an internet provider who gives us that. And after this, we have here the picture machine and can have a QR code in front of us, take a picture of it, scan that QR code, job's done. And of course, we can make it manually to get the SMDP plus address and activation code and confirm that. And then automatically, if you have a running contract, of course, you can go to the next step and go to use the eSIM, the embedded SIM. Easy peasy, eh? Yeah. And then down a little bit, you see Wi-Fi Assist, iCloud Drive, and iCloud Backup. When not connected to Wi-Fi, we can use mobile network to transfer documents and data in iCloud or iCloud Backup and something else. If you have not enough data space, you should switch that off. Only for a better and not so expensive data transfer call and so on. So call time periods, enable mobile data usage statistics and so on. So you see there is all that is about your mobile stuff. Then if you like to remove your card again, go to the left side again of your phone, come with a SIM card extraction tool, get this pushed out of it, and you see no SIM is available because an iPhone works without a SIM card proper as well as you can see. But only Wi-Fi operated, for example, or without mobile data. So easy it is to use and set up your SIM and eSIM on your iPhone 17 Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's done.